On the rearward or northern slope of Concord's old hill burying ground, somewhat apart from other stones, stands the plain monumental slab of gray slate that is the starting point of this desultory paper. And this epitaph, is it not also an epigram? Can we not read in it something more than what it says? It appears to me that there is in it the suggestion of a caustic satire upon the ideas of our revolutionary forefathers who were clamoring for liberty for themselves, while they held in servitude and bought and sold the natives of Africa who were born free in a land of slavery. Liberty was the one word of all others that Daniel Bliss heard the oftenest among his neighbors, the one subject that took precedence of all others in every public meeting and in every private conversation. Can we not find in the words "a land of liberty," where a free-born man could be compelled to live a slave, a sneer at what he felt was the hollowness and insincerity of the popular craze of the day? Is not the same idea further carried out in the suggestion that the slave could honestly steal from him by whom he was himself stolen? To Mr. Bliss and his fellow Royalists, the struggle that the Patriots were making was simply a resistance to taxation, merely a question of pounds, shillings, and pence. The rebels were determined that they would not put out any of their hardly won cash for the support of a royal government whose protection they still enjoyed. Can we not see this idea in the allusion to the source of slavery? Does not the very opening line, "God wills us free," and the solemn aspiration that follows it, "God's will be done," at once convey a sneer at the liberty-loving slaveholders, a rebuke of slavery itself as morally a sin, and a prophecy that that sin should yet be expiated?